Here we are at Contra Costa Power Sports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Harley Davidson Street 750. This is the twin cylinder 750 you've been waiting for. Beautiful satin black finish. Got a little mini fairing up front and an awesome sounding Screaming Eagle exhaust paired up with the Screaming Eagle intake, and this bike has been mapped to handle that change. Only 4,400 miles on this Harley Davidson. Come by, check it out, make your Harley dreams come true. This gorgeous 2015 Street 750, only $54.99. Liquid cooled, fuel injection. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Power Sports.